Hi, I'm Robert Armstrong from Pathway Connectivity. I'm the support guy, and I'm here to talk about our new product, which is the Pathport Via. It's a 10-port plus one, fully managed layer 2-3 gigabit switch with PoE. Out of the box, it comes with class 1 PoE on all 10 ports, so you have 5 watts available on each port. If you need full class 3, there is an auxiliary power supply that you can plug into the back, and then you'll have 15 watts on each port. What we're trying to do with this, which is basically an enterprise level switch, is switches know an awful lot about what's going on your network. But they're kind of reluctant to tell you, and most of the software front ends, they're not really very friendly to people in our industry. So we've simply put an LCD screen on the front of this, and along with the encoder knob, we are trying to present a lot of information that's in the switch in a form that is going to make sense to people who are doing lighting. So right off the front we have an IP address, and it says PoE, and it's telling you that 8.3 watts out of the total budget of 62 watts is being used. So right there you already know that you've got something connected. You can go port by port, and you can soft label those ports. You can see port 1's called booth link right now, and there we have port 2. We can see if there's a connection. This one's at 10 megabits at half duplex, and already you're finding out something. You can force the link mode. This is currently in auto negotiate, but if you wanted, you could force it down to a lower speed, or you could disable the port altogether. Looking for one saying there's no path ports connected, but if there is a path port connected, there's one there. We can find out some information about the pathport node that's on the other end of that wire. It's called dual input, and there's its IP address, its subnet mask, even its firmware version is right there on the screen.
All right from the switch?
Right from the switch.
And now is all this information coming out of the Pathport Via available in the manager?
To some extent, the Pathport management software, the developer is basically implementing the support for the Via. It will be there.
Okay.
It will be possible to do that. So you will be able to configure the switch from the manager or from the switch itself.
Okay.
I mean, one of the issues with enterprise-grade switches is usually getting the first IP address into them. They come out of the box, and you immediately need a serial port,
sure, which
your laptop does not have. Well, you can simply set the IP address from the front panel of the switch. If I click on this, I can change to 11.0.0.15 if I want to change the gateway, and I'm actually going to discard the changes so my network doesn't just crash out. But really simple to do what is often the first thing you have to do with setting up a network, and it's frequently a real pain in the ass. The code that is currently being worked on for this device will allow packet filtering according to lighting data protocol. The switch will know whether you're running ArtNet or streaming ACN or ShowNet. It will allow you to VLAN based on those protocols. It'll even be able to filter packets, so you can say out of port number 7, I only want a specific ArtNet universe. So when you're dealing with a media server and you've got 60 universes sloshing around the network, you can actually use the switch as a method of cutting down on all the unnecessary traffic that end devices are having to deal with.
Fantastic.
And I think that that's going to be a really key feature for this, and I think that people are going to find that it's really useful.
And availability?
They're shipping in limited quantity right after the show.
Okay.
And they should be shipping per order by the beginning of the new year.
Retail price?
Between $1,800 and $1,900.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.